Stretch up to the sun. Feels so bumpy and soft at the same time. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow.
Classy!
Hey there, friends. I'm Sarah. Hope you're having a great day. I'm going to go on a yoga adventure today looking for so many colors in nature. Maybe you can help me find some. Sound good? I do have to warm up first though. Maybe you can do this with me. Mountain pose. Ooh, stretch up to the sun. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. We'll get those toes tickled, feeling good. Let's see what our cobra's like today. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. Oh, what a good down dog, stretching it out. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Well, I'm gonna be like a frog and hop forward. Big stretch. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Perfect. I feel so ready to go find some colors now. And there are some already around us. I wonder what color we should call this one. Maybe the camera can get closer to see all the textures of the bark. It's pretty rough. And it has some knots in it. It feels really cool though. Perfect. And I would call this brown. My friend Alex made me this bracelet, and look, even included a brown bead. So I think for this one, we're going to do our tree pose. So we'll find our mountain, reach up to the sky to make our big leaves, our big tree limbs. Let's see. Maybe I'll stay down here with my toes, or maybe I'll lift my leg a little higher. Like the brown trees. Let's try the other side. Amazing. Let's see what other colors we can find. Come on.
Yoga! Oh, Sarah!
Hey friends, come see what I found. We have to be quiet not to scare it away. He's just under here. Look at that buzzing bee. What color is he? You're right, he's not blue, he's not green, he's yellow. For our yoga pose, we can definitely make a bee. So we're going to put our toes out, sit down low, find our wings, and let's do our buzzing bee breath. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose. Amazing. Do you see any other colors around here? You're right, is that green? That's moss. Let's get closer. Feels so bumpy and soft at the same time. Moss likes to hug trees. So I'm going to do my eagle pose to hug those trees. We can give ourselves a big hug. We can have our hands like this or give ourselves a hug and then see if we can cross our legs too. Hugging our tree with all of our moss. Let's see what other colors we can find. Come on. We found some more colors. Come check these out. There's some purple flowers, just like the purple bee. There's some more over here. There's some pink flowers here. They're so beautiful. I'm going to sit like a flower in the grass. Maybe there's some other colors we can find. Let's see. Friends, come check out what we found here. Look at him. I don't know what kind of caterpillar that is. Maybe you do. And it's hard to see, but he actually has some blue dots on the top of him and some orange or red dots underneath him. Maybe he'll move at one point. But in the meantime, let's do our caterpillar movements. I didn't want to. So we can start in our downward dog and then inch forward like a caterpillar. Let our bellies drop toward the floor. Let's see if we can see more of him now. We shouldn't touch him because we don't want to disturb him. Maybe he's sleeping. He was moving a minute ago. Do you see the other colors on his head? He's got so many colors. Isn't it amazing all these colors we can find in nature? So great. I think we've only got a couple more to find. Let's see. I've been having trouble finding things that are red and orange in nature. I thought maybe we'd see a cardinal or a woodpecker out here. Can you see anything down here that might be kind of reddish orange? Yeah, some fallen leaves from the trees. I think you're right. Sometimes that happens, right? Usually it happens in the fall, but sometimes those leaves will fall a little bit earlier. So we know how to do our tree pose. Ooh, we can reach up and touch some leaves, maybe. And then maybe our falling leaves can fall down. And in yoga, there's actually a pose called fallen leaf. If we find our child's pose, our head down low, we can reach our arms back behind us and just let them rest at our sides. I think we'll turn back and see what we can find on the way home. Perfect. Just when I thought that I couldn't find anything red on our walk, we found some things on our way home. Check out these things hanging from this tree. I'm not sure what they are. Maybe you know. Oh, this one's really red. There's lots of caterpillars around them. And there's a moth up here. You should see it. It has such beautiful patterns on it. One good way to end my practice today is to do a nice big forward fold. So I think we found most of the colors we're looking for today. But I think we'll end with a nice rainbow pose. Amazing. Thanks, friends. I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hey, friends. So we made it home. Look at my friend Riley.
Hi.
Go get it, Riley. He'll find it. So friends, I wanted to end today with a color song and a rainbow yoga pose. Can I do my rainbow yoga pose with you, Riley? What do you think? Let's see. We'll put one hand down. I could leave my knees like this or stretch my legs out so I can get a big long stretch. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Ready, Riley? Go get it. So I think we found most of the colors that we could find, but maybe next time you're outside, you can go on an adventure and see how many colors you can find. See you later, friends. Bye.
Bye-bye.